Hello everyone, welcome to AEM Insights. As we discussed in the previous tutorial, today we will be covering about AEM projects overview. Here we will learn how we can create AEM projects and we will see how we can build it and also look the project structure of this AEM project. So let's get started. Firstly, we will be creating one project using this command. So let's copy it, then go to our folder where we want to create it. So this is the folder where I want to create my project. So here I will be opening my new window. So I am going here, then I will just navigating to that particular folder. If you are using window, then you can go with the cmd, and if you are using mac, you can open a new terminal. Here I will be pasting my this maven command. Before creating this projects, let's discuss about this command. Like here if you check we are using mbn. So mbn is basically used to invoke maven to build automation tool for the java projects. And then if you check, we are also adding a hyphen b. It's denote that this project will be created in the batch mode. After this we are adding this like plugin where we are defining the version of this plugin, and then we are adding the archetype group id where we are giving here com.adobe.aem, which defines that this project will be created and provided by Adobe for AEM projects. And after this we are adding the archetype artifact ID, which is also provided by Adobe for AEM projects. And then we are giving the archetype version, which is currently we are going with the 43. And then the titles of my project, currently I am giving my sites, then the app id and group id. You can give it accordingly, like as per your requirement. After this we will hit the enter. It might take time, it's depend on your network speed. So I have already created it, so I will just breaking it. After creating the projects, you will see the project structure like this one. So this is the project structure which you will be getting after creating with this command. So let's go one by one and understand about the this project structure. Firstly, the all this folder contains configurations, files and resources which used to assemble the entire AEM project. It may include the configurations files for Maven, OSGI configurations, deployment configuration, and other project level of the setting. And then the core. So core is basically contains the backend logic of the AEM projects. It's mainly contains the Java source codes for the AEM projects. It includes Java classes, uh, interfaces, servlets, listeners, and all the Java related stuff. It's mainly contain. And then dispatcher. So in AEM we do the caching and load balancing kind of thing. So though all those information and all those configuration will be done through this dispatcher things. And then ui.test. So this folder contains test related stuff where we mainly store it mainly store the AEM projects front end components tests. And then this is the pom.xml which which store all the dependency and plugins about that particular project. And UI.apps, this folder contains the front-end code and the resource for AEM projects, like it contains HTML files, client-side library, JavaScript, CSS, and other things related to that particular styling and other things. And UI.config, so this basically store the configurations related thing of that particular project. So this is the things it's mainly stores. And UI.content, this store the content structure of and the configuration of that AEM projects. It's includes AEM nodes, templates, policies, and other configurations as well. And UI.frontend store the components related stuff at that project level. So these are the things mainly stored on the projects. So once you created the projects using the command as we discussed, then you can go and you can build it. So for building the uh, Maven projects, you have to use a command which is basically this one, ambient clean install. So this command basically also specifies some of the things as we already discussed about the ambient. This invoke the maven, and the clean basically provide the life cycle phase of maven. It's used to clean the project by deleting the target directory, which contains the compiled bytecode of the Java and resources and other build artifacts generated by the previous build. And if you look here, we used install. So install is also a Maven lifecycle phase. It compiles the source code of the project and packages into the distributable format, like you can consider it a jar var files, and then install it into the local maven repository. This you can consider like this makes the project's artifact available for other projects to use it as a dependency. So and then we are using here like hyphen p auto install packages. This activate maven profile name auto install package. Profiles in maven allow you to customize the build process based on its different environment or configurations. So here in this case, this auto install package provides is likely configured to automatically install the package into the AEM instance. And this is the DSKIP test. This is we mainly use when we don't want to run the test cases or the JUnit test to of our project. Then we add this one. So after creating the project, you can build this project. So let's copy it, and then you can go on your project. You can use Eclipse or IntelliJ as per your comfort, and then go on to the terminal, and you can use this command. One second. When you will be using this command, this will build your projects. So this is the command, and this is the concept I want to discuss with you regarding the project creation and overview of that particular projects. So yeah, that's it for today. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. In the next video, we will proceed further with the how overview of the AEM and how we can create new pages and other things. We will look on the look upon on all those things. So thank you for